Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This video lecture is for 7th grade students and the topic of this video lecture is Algebraic Expressions. Students, this is chapter number 12 of your mathematics textbook. So let's begin with the introduction. Let's first learn what is an expression. An expression is a set of terms combined using the operations plus, minus, multiplication or division. So expression एक set of terms होता है जिसमें terms combine की गई होंगी इन operations के मदद से. For example, 2 plus 3. Here 2 and 3 are terms and this plus is an operation. So this 2 plus 3 is an expression. Clear? So this is a simple example of an expression. Now next is variable. A variable is a quantity whose value is not fixed. The letters x, y, z are common generic symbols used for variables. So variable एक ऐसी quantity है जिसका value fixed नहीं होता है, जिसका value with different situations change हो सकता है and जो letters हम use करते हैं generally x, y, z जो है ज़्यादातर use किया जाता है as a symbol for variable and but other letters can also be used like a, b, c or p, q, l and so on. So the variables are represented by symbols, okay, letters. Then next is constant. Constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. Constant जो है ये एक ऐसी quantity है जिसका fixed value होता है. For example, 4 minus 100 etc. See students, 4 is a quantity and its value is 4. Its value cannot change. It will always remain as 4. Similarly, minus 100 is again a constant because its value is fixed. That is, its value will always be minus 100. Then next is, what are algebraic expressions? Now, an algebraic expression is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with operations like addition, subtraction, etc. So, algebraic expression जो है ये वो expressions होते हैं जिनमें variables होंगे, okay, जिनमें variables का use होगा, constants का use होगा और साथ में कुछ operations, कुछ arithmetic operations होंगे like addition, subtraction, etc. For example, this 3x plus 4y minus 7. This is an algebraic expression because here we are having variables, x and y are variables, like, and this minus 7 is a constant, clear? So this is and this plus and minus, these are the operations. So this is an example of algebraic expression. Similarly, this 2x minus 8, this is also an algebraic expression because here we are also having a constant term and variables and an arithmetic operation, that is subtraction here. Clear? Now students, next is coefficient. A constant value used with the variable term. For example, 5xy. Here xy is variable term and 5 is coefficient. So एक वेरिएबल टर्म के साथ जो भी कांस्टेंट वैल्यू यूज होता है उस कांस्टेंट वैल्यू को हम कोफिशिएंट कहते हैं. लाइक इन दिस एग्जांपल एक्स वाई जो है ये वेरिएबल है एंड इसके साथ में जो ये 5 है दिस इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स वाई. क्लियर? देन नेक्स्ट इज टर्म्स. In an algebraic expression, terms are the elements separated by the plus or minus sign. So एक algebraic expression में terms जो है ये वो elements होते हैं जो separate होते हैं operations से, like बीच में प्लस होगा और माइनस होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 3y ये एक algebraic expression है and in this algebraic expression this 4x square is a term and this minus 3y is another term. So here we are having two terms, 4x square and minus 3y. Clear? So or in other words you can say that the terms are the product of factors. Okay, so let's now learn what are factors of a term. The numbers of variables that are multiplied to form a term are called its factors. So numbers या variables जो आपस में multiplication में होंगे एक term बनाने के लिए उन्हें हम कहते हैं factors. Like this 4x square is a term. 4x square जो है ये यहाँ पे term है और इसके factors क्या क्या है? एक तो ये 4 है and x का square, that means x and x. So 4x and x are the factors of the term 4x square. Clear? So that's why here I said that terms are the product of factors. ये जो term है ये product of factors होता है. जब हमने इन factors का multiplication किया we got a term 4x square. Clear? Okay, now students, next is like terms and unlike terms. So when terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. So जब terms में same algebraic factors होंगे, हम ऐसी terms को like terms कहते हैं. And when terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. और जब terms में algebraic factors different हो, तो वो unlike terms होती है. For example, in the expression 2xy minus 3x plus 5y minus 4, this is an expression 2xy minus 3x plus 5xy minus 4. Now, look at the terms 2xy and 5xy. The factors of 2xy are 2x and y. The factors of 5xy are 5x and y. So, thus the algebraic expressions, यहाँ पे जो ये जो फैक्टर ये जो टर्म है 2xy, इसके फैक्टर्स में 2x and y है, but algebraic factors है x and y, and here in this also algebraic factors are x and y. So we can say that the algebraic factors of both these terms are same. They're algebraic, that is those which contains variables. Okay, algebraic factors are those factors which contains variables. Here these algebraic factors are same, hence they are like terms. 2xy and 5xy are like terms because इनके जो algebraic factors है, यानी xy इसमें भी है और xy इसमें भी है, so ये like terms है. Clear? कोफिशिएंट का इक्वल होना जरूरी नहीं है, बट ये जो वेरिएबल्स है ये बराबर होने चाहिए, सेम होने चाहिए. Clear? Then on the other hand, the terms 2xy and minus 3x. अब अगर हम 2xy और minus 3x को देखें, 2xy के factors, algebraic factors क्या है? x and y. Here we are having two variables x and y, but in this minus 3x we are having only one variable, that is x. Okay, y यहाँ पे है नहीं, so these are unlike terms. Clear? Similarly, the terms 2xy and 4, 2xy and 4. Here we are having x and y. Here in this term we neither have x nor y, so these are also unlike terms. Also the terms minus 3x and 4, these are also unlike terms because here we are having the algebraic factors of this term is x. Here we don't have any algebraic factor. Okay, so these are also unlike terms. Clear? Now next is types of algebraic expressions. There are four main types of algebraic expressions, which includes monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. ये जो algebraic expressions है, mainly ये four types के है, जिनमें पहला है monomial, then another one is binomial, then trinomials and polynomials. So now what is monomial? An algebraic expression which is having only one term is known as monomial. एक algebraic expression जिसमें सिर्फ एक term हो, उसे हम monomial कहते हैं. For example, 7xy. This is one term, so this is a monomial. Similarly, minus 5m is a monomial. 3z square is a monomial. 4 is a monomial. Okay. Then next is binomial. An expression which contains two unlike terms is called a binomial. तो binomial हम ऐसी algebraic expression को कहते हैं जिसमें दो unlike terms हो. For example, x plus y. X is a term, y is a term, and both these terms are unlike terms, so this is a binomial. Then mn plus 4 is also a binomial. Then a square minus b square is also a binomial. Okay. Then the next one is trinomial. An expression which contains three terms is called a trinomial. अब ऐसी expression जिसमें तीन terms होंगी उसे हम trinomial कहते हैं. For example, x plus y plus 7, 5x plus 4y plus 2, ab plus a plus b. So these are all trinomials. Then the last one is polynomial. So in general, an expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. So ऐसी algebraic expression जिसमें एक या एक से ज़्यादा terms हो उसे हम polynomial कहते हैं. Thus a monomial, binomial and trinomial are all polynomials. So ये जो monomial है, binomial है, trinomial है, ये सारे आ जाते हैं polynomials के अंदर. Clear? So students, I'll finish this video lecture here. In the next video lecture, we'll solve first exercise of this chapter. Till then, you will revise these concepts. Allah Hafiz.